Hey guys, today I'm really excited because recently I received this really nice 42-inch ceiling fan for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's really beautiful. It has a rustic feeling to it, and I think that's gonna be really nice.
The proper installation of this ceiling fan is actually really simple, and it doesn't take that much long. I think that it's great that you can do it by yourself, and it comes with every piece that you need to install it. So place it up on the ceiling. First we need to prepare the main unit with the motor and everything, set it up and get the download ready so we can do the proper wiring once that it's hanging up. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and place the base upon the ceiling where we're gonna place it. Make sure that you place it with a proper installation techniques and have everything securely fit. Okay, that way it won't wobble anything, and it comes with every screw that you need to place the base, which I think it's great. And now once that we have the base securely upon our ceiling where we're going to place our ceiling fan, we are going to go ahead and hang the main unit so that way we can start doing the proper electrical wiring. Okay, you should have your electrical current off when you are doing this, so I have already turned it off, this section. Now I just have to do the wiring with the receiver, connect the receiver upon our ceiling fan and the receiver to the electricity. Okay, once that I have it ready, we can securely take everything inside the base and close it up with the canopy. After that, we can go ahead and start placing the ceiling fan blades, but first we need to take this little nut that it's right here. Okay, that way we have fully access to where the fan blades will go, and we can start placing them one by one, with the first one taking up the base plate with one of the screws so it holds, and we can place each other one. Once when we are placing the screws, we need to place this kind of washers between them so they don't scratch the base plate, making sure that we don't over tighten them, so that way we can still have a little bit of maneuver when we are gonna be installing the rest of the two blades. Then we can go ahead and start tighten each one of the screws in the base, so we make sure that everything is really nice and set, and making sure that we place the final bolt where it goes. Something that I think that it's nice about this ceiling fan is that it comes with two downloads, one from 5 inches and the other one from 10, for placing it in various ceiling heights depending of where you need it. Okay, that way if you have a higher roof, you can place it with the highest download, or in a low ceiling with a 5 inches one. Okay, and you can even place it on slope ceilings, which I think that it's great without having to worry about it being, well, tilted or anything.
Once that it's already installed, I think that's perfect because you can adjust it up to 6 different speeds with the remote control that comes included. You can obviously turn it on and off with the remote. You don't need to have turn off the light switch, which I think that it's great. I'm gonna set it up on the third velocity, and you can set it up for it to being automatically turned off from 1 up to 8 hours of continuous use. So you can just leave it on, and if you want to go, well, sleeping or anything, and you want to make sure that your ceiling fan is off, just place the respective time that you need it, and that's it. And you can also set it so it goes forward or reverse, so you can just set on somewhere around winter time, which I think that it's great. You also get the button for a natural wind, which I think that it's great. And overall, because it's really nice, as you can see, it was a quick and easy installation that didn't take that much and wasn't even that hard. I would really recommend it. See you guys.